So if you're in YouTube and then you're logged into your account, you should have a little icon over here. And if you tap on that, it might bring up something like this, or it might bring up just a small little version of this. But what you're looking for is this cog. And so if you click on something that has that cog, then that would take you to the settings. And in the settings, what we have to do is go and edit it on Google. So in order to add somebody, you have to actually edit this on Google. So we click here, edit on Google. And so that will take you through to kind of like the About Me Google page for it, or maybe the Google My Business profile for it, if that's what it has. So we'll cancel that. And then if you go up here and you can click on Manage Account, then it would take you to a screen where you've got the users and where you can manage permissions. And so you have to be the primary owner in order to be able to do this, and then it will have two little people up there, and then you can click on that, and then you can invite whoever you want. So in my case, it was going to be fruitfulonlineseo@gmail.com. And then you choose a role there, so you can just make me a manager, and then invite me, and then let me know that you've done that, so I can go into that Gmail account and accept it. Okay, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.